Breakfast at the hotel. Good morning. Ready for breakfast?
Yes, I think so.
Great. The restaurant is downstairs.
Downstairs, near the lobby, right?
Yes, next to the front desk.
Okay. I saw it yesterday.
Do you like hotel breakfast?
Sometimes. Not always.
Same here. It can be simple.
What food do they have?
Eggs, toast, fruit, and coffee.
Oh, I like eggs and toast.
You can also try pancakes today.
So, pancakes? Really? That sounds nice.
Yes, they are fresh and warm.
I want pancakes and coffee.
You order at the counter first.
Order first, then sit down?
Yes, then they bring your food.
Oh, that is easy.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
Coffee, but with milk.
Sure, you can add milk there.
Add milk myself?
Yes, it's self-service for drinks.
Okay, I will try.
Don't worry, it's very simple.
Thanks, I feel better now.
Let's go. I'm getting hungry.
Me too, let's eat now.
The air conditioning is broken.
Hello? Is everything okay here?
Not really. It's very hot.
Oh no. What seems the problem?
The air conditioning is not working.
I see. When did it stop?
Last night, it suddenly stopped.
Did you try the control panel?
Yes, I pressed some buttons, nothing.
Okay. Let me check it quickly.
Thank you. It's very uncomfortable.
The screen is not responding.
Yes, no lights, no sound.
It may be a power issue.
Power issue? Like no electricity?
Yes, maybe a small connection problem.
Can you fix it now?
I will try, but not sure.
Ugh, I need cool air soon.
I can call maintenance for help.
That would be great. Thank you.
They usually come very fast.
How long? Maybe 30 minutes?
Around 20 to 30 minutes.
Okay, I can wait a little.
Or we can change your room.
Change room? Really?
Yes, if the problem continues.
That sounds good, just in case.
I'll call maintenance right now.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. Lost luggage. Hello, how can I help you?
I lost my luggage
I'm sorry, where did you lose it?
at the airport after my flight.
Did you check the baggage area?
Yes, I looked everywhere.
Do you have a baggage receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check the system.
Okay, I hope you find it.
I'm typing. I see your bag is delayed.
Delayed, not lost?
Yes, it is on another flight.
Oh, that is good news.
It will arrive later today.
Later, what time exactly?
Around 6 p.m., maybe earlier.
And how do I get it?
We can deliver it to your hotel.
Delivered to my hotel?
Yes, just give me the address.
That is very helpful. Thank you.
What is your hotel name?
It's the City Center Hotel.
Okay, I will arrange delivery.
Great. I feel much better now.
You will get it soon, don't worry.
Thanks. I really appreciate your help.
Which bus goes to the park? Hi there, need some help?
Yes, I need a bus.
Where do you want to go?
To the park, near the river.
Do you know the park name?
No, I forgot the name.
That's okay. Is it big?
Yes, very big. Many trees.
Maybe Riverside Park then.
Yes, that sounds right.
You can take bus number 10.
Number 10 from here?
Yes, the stop is across street.
Across the street. Over there?
Yes, near the red bus sign.
Oh, I see it now.
The bus comes every 15 minutes.
Every 15. Okay, not long.
It takes about 20 minutes total.
20 minutes to the park?
Yes, get off at the last stop.
Last stop. I must remember that.
Don't worry, I'll write it down.
Thank you. That really helps me.
Enjoy your time at the park.
I will. Thank you so much.
The perfume aisle.
Hello. Looking for a perfume?
Yes, for my friend.
Nice. What scent do you like?
Something light, not too strong.
Okay. Maybe floral or fresh.
Floral, like flowers, right?
Yes, like rose or jasmine.
Oh, I like jasmine. Very nice.
Try this one. It's very soft.
Can I smell it, please?
Of course. Spray on this paper.
It smells really good.
It lasts for many hours.
Many hours. That is good.
It's not too strong for daily use.
Good. I don't like strong perfume.
Do you want a small bottle?
Maybe. How much is it?
It's $25 today.
Oh, that's okay. Not expensive.
We also have a gift box.
A gift box? That sounds perfect.
Great choice. I will pack it.
Thank you. She will love it.
I'm sure she will enjoy it.
Yes, I'm very happy with this. Finding a new apartment. Hello, looking for an apartment today?
Yes, I need a new place.
What kind of apartment do you want?
Small, one bedroom, not too expensive.
Okay, do you prefer city or suburbs? City.
Close to work would be best.
Checking. Any idea about your budget?
Around $1,200 per month.
Great. I have a few options.
Oh, really? That's good news.
This one is modern, one bedroom.
Modern. Does it have a kitchen?
Yes, full kitchen with appliances.
Perfect. I like cooking at home.
And this one has a balcony too.
A balcony. That is nice.
Do you want parking included?
Yes, if possible.
Okay, I'll show one with parking.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
We can visit it tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning? That works perfectly.
Great. I'll call the landlord first.
Thanks. I feel more confident now.
You'll like this apartment, I'm sure.
I hope so. Can't wait to see it.
A complicated menu at the restaurant.
Hello? Are you ready to order?
I'm not sure. The menu is big.
What looks confusing to you?
All these names, I don't understand.
Let's start with appetizers. Any preferences?
Maybe something small and light.
How about the garden salad or soup?
Garden salad. What is inside?
Lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and olive oil.
Oh, I like salad. That sounds good.
Great. And for the main course?
Too many choices. Fish or chicken?
The chicken is grilled. Very tasty.
Grilled chicken. Yes, I like that.
It comes with rice and vegetables.
Perfect. Rice and vegetables. I like.
Any drinks? Water, juice, or soda?
Unsure. Water, please. Maybe with ice.
Sure, I'll bring it quickly.
And dessert. I don't know yet.
Try the chocolate cake, very popular.
Chocolate cake. Okay, I want that.
Excellent choice. I'll put your order in.
Thank you. You made it easy for me. The chicken sandwich cart.
You can't sell food in this park.
Oh, why not? I just started today.
Park rules. No food carts allowed.
Oh, I didn't know that rule.
Did you get a permit before?
No, I don't have one.
You need a city permit first.
A permit? Where do I get it?
At the city office downtown.
Downtown. That is far from here.
Yes, but it's very important.
Oh, this is a big problem.
What are you selling today?
Chicken sandwiches, fresh and warm.
They smell really good, honestly.
Thank you. I worked hard today.
I understand, but rules are rules.
So, I must stop now?
Yes, you need to close now.
Can I stay just 1 hour?
I'm sorry, not today.
Okay, I will pack everything.
Get the permit, then come back.
Yes, I will do that tomorrow.
Good. Your cart looks very nice.
Thanks. I will try again soon. Ordering a taxi at the hotel.
Hello, do you need a taxi?
Yes, I need one.
Sure, where are you going?
To the train station, please.
Which station exactly?
Central Station, I think.
Okay, Central Station. What time?
Soon, maybe in 15 minutes?
No problem. I can book now.
Thank you. I'm a bit late.
How many people are traveling?
Just me, only one person.
Do you have large luggage?
Yes, one big suitcase.
Okay, I will request a bigger car.
Oh, that's good. Thank you.
The taxi will arrive at the entrance.
At the front door, right?
Yes, near the main entrance.
Okay, how much will it cost?
Around 10 to 15 pounds.
Oh, that's not too bad.
The driver will help with luggage.
Great, that helps a lot.
Your taxi will arrive soon.
Thanks, I really appreciate it. The empty corner office. Hello, are you here for the office?
Yes. I saw the empty corner office.
Great. Do you like corner offices?
Yes, more light and big windows.
This one is very bright today.
Oh, I like sunlight while working.
It also has space for 2 desks.
2 desks, perfect for my assistant.
Do you need storage here too?
Yes, some drawers would help.
No problem. There's a cabinet in the corner.
Great, that is very useful.
Do you want a phone line installed?
Yes, I will call clients often.
Okay, we can set it up tomorrow.
Tomorrow. That's perfect. Thank you.
And what about internet? Fast enough?
I think so, but I need Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi is ready. Strong signal all day.
Good. I can work without problems.
Do you want to start using it today?
Yes, I think I will.
Perfect. Enjoy your new office space.
Thanks. This corner office feels amazing.